Hi everybody, this is Barry Schwartz and this is the Search Buzz video recap. I'm doing this from Israel right now. It's Friday, January 13th. I'm recording this almost at 4 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 11 a.m. Israel time. In any event, I'm trying to make this short and fast because it'll probably take me forever to upload the video. And I'll go through this week's news from the Search Engine Roundtable at seroundtable.com over the past week. The first thing I wanted to discuss was that Google launched Google Search Plus Your World. It's basically a tighter integration with Google Plus and the search results, bringing in also Flickr things, but mostly Google Plus. There's been a lot of. First, let me tell you what it does. It basically makes the search results more personalized. So, by default, it will now show you if you're logged into Google and you're on Google Plus. It will show you by default personalized results that are very personalized to you, with a way to toggle between the two. Personalized and unpersonal results. It also shows profiles of the search results from Google Plus results, obviously. It also has people and pages and stuff like that, as well as the search results, plus a lot of images, stuff like that. It's basically personalization up to wazoo. There's a lot of discussion about this in terms of obviously privacy and personalization and stuff like that, where people are. It's not the main thing. Also, it's actually searching. Stuff that you share with friends and stuff that are not really public information, stuff that's not public on the internet that are privately shared on the Google Plus network. So that's the privacy issue and stuff like that. Also, there's a lot of debate. Why is Google not using Twitter and Facebook as well? Google says it's because Twitter and Facebook don't allow them to get the deeper information that they need to make it possible, but they're open to doing it. And what else? So there's also the webmaster community basically talking about how it's more. Anytime Google personalizes anything, it makes it it's harder for SEOs to actually optimize for those cases. So it's just one of those additional steps where people are upset that on the SEO side it's harder to optimize. In any event, we have posted about this on January 11th. You definitely need to take a look at this if you're an SEO or into internet marketing. This is funny. Somebody emailed Susan Moskwa from Google. Basically, she works on the Webmaster Trends analysis, the people who are in the forums helping people every day, as well as people involved in Webmaster Tools. And they basically asked to do an email exchange in order to better improve their traffic in Google search results. And she replied to this person and posted on, obviously, on Google Plus saying, seriously, Baron, you sent a link exchange request to a member of the Google search results team, and the domain name isn't even hosted. You didn't even look at the site, did you? And major link spam. I'm reporting your site to Google for violating Webmaster guidelines. So one tip, don't send link exchange request emails to Googlers. It won't help your rankings. Google is supposedly now indexing and passing value for links found in iframes. We have posted about this on January 9th. Michael Martinez did the research. And he's very, very confident that in the case of iframes, Google will look at the links to the iframes as well as pass the value. Again, January 9th, if you want to learn more information about that. On the AdCenter side, Microsoft said they are now working on a way for Macs and iPads to access the AdCenter console and use all the features within AdCenter. That's a good news because people have been wanting that for a really long time. Also on the AdCenter side, on January 9th, we reported that there were some cases where Microsoft, by accident, banned and suspended several or lots of different AdCenter accounts. Ralph David from the AdCenter community team said this was a mistake and they're working on fixing it, and he has a whole post about how long it might take to fix it and so on. I assume by now it should be fixed. We have a post about this on January 9th at seroundtable.com. Kindle Fires, I don't know if you know this, which pretty much run Android, Google operating system, don't show Google AdSense ads. There was a report earlier this week, we posted about it on January 10th, and I showed a screenshot of Google AdSense ads not loading on the Kindle Fire, whereas they're loading on iPads and stuff like that. Again, if you are a publisher or you're an advertiser and you want your ads to show for Kindle Fires, that might be an issue. I'm hoping they fixed it. I don't have the Fire with me now, but I'm hoping they fixed it. Also, there was two logos this week from Google. One was a Nicholas Steno, who was basically the father of modern geology. The logo is very earthy and oceans and stuff like that. It was pretty cool. You definitely want to take a look at that if you have time. That was on January 11th, and on Sunday, January 7th, Google had a logo for Charles Adams from the Adams, the person behind the Adams family. It was a really great logo, and we'll post that in the video as well. Finally, like I said, this Sunday is XMX Israel. We are pretty much sold out. We have one ticket left, and it's been a great show. Thanks for all the sponsors and everybody for participating, all the advisors, and especially all the speakers as well for coming out, and all the attendees. For those who are listening to this video early and want to go ahead and participate, definitely go to a post on January 11th where we're asking Tomer Hoden from Google's search quality team, who's coming to Israel to participate. He has a Q&A panel where you'll be able to ask him questions. So if you have any questions beforehand, definitely submit the questions in this post on January 11th, and we'll be able to submit that to Tomer at the conference live and hopefully answer your questions. In any event, thanks so much for listening to the Search Buzz video recap. Today, again, is Friday, January 13th. For those in Israel, hope to see you Sunday. And everybody else, I'll be back in New York on Monday. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.